As you can see here, thousands of people are making money online and cashing out just by watching YouTube videos and getting others to watch also. These are some of the payment proofs from different people cashing out from watching YouTube videos. And you too can make money online today by watching YouTube videos. All you need is to look for a viral or a live video to watch and get others to watch, and boom. You are making money and cashing out already. I hope you like watching YouTube videos. If you don't, then you may want to get started right away because you can get paid watching YouTube videos from today. If you already love watching YouTube videos, then you need to keep watching this video to the end to get to see how you can convert your YouTube watch time to money in your pocket. Yes, the joy of making money online is exciting me right now, and I feel like I should keep this secret for myself and not tell you this important strategy of making money online. You will make money online while enjoying watching videos and getting others to watch videos. But I think I will like all my viewers in this channel to make money too. This is one of the best and easy ways to make money online. The one that you do not need to make your own videos or any other content at all. All you need to do is to watch other people's videos and get others to watch it. You see, you don't need a website or tons of followers on your social media platform to get started. All you need to do now is just to visit and sign up on 2 websites that I will be revealing to you shortly. Before I continue with this easy way of making money online, I will like you to subscribe to this channel, turn up the notification bell, and give this video a thumbs up, so that you will get to see all my latest videos on how to make money online. Now, are you excited for making money online through watching videos? First, we are going to need to sign up with a high-paying link shortener in order to be paid watching YouTube videos. Now, there are many websites that shortens links like bit.ly you can choose from, but for the purpose of this video, we shall be using Shortst because they have good reviews in the industry and their payment is attractive. You can get their website at Shortst. When their website loads, you will come to their homepage. Here, we have Home, Benefits, Affiliation, Join, and Login. You can bring your copy and paste in their search bar right away here, and the link will be shortened for you free. But we are going to sign up first, because we want to be registered to receive payment of all our online earnings from this website through our PayPal account. Now, before we sign up, I would like us to check what they have to offer for using their services here. If you have a website, then you are welcome to smart and easy way to get extra income from your traffic. Nevertheless, we are not talking about website or any source of traffic here. Therefore, we are going to use another trick to get traffic to our link and be paid in the process. You need to stay to end of this video to find out how you can make money online without having a website or a high social media following of any traffic source. As you can see here, Shortst have more than 1 million registered users and over 9 million links clicks, which means many people are making money and cashing out from this website. You too need to get your own share of the online money from this website. Moreover, they have wide range of monetization, that only ads, premium high pay ads, high CPM rates, and they are available worldwide. Now, let's check the affiliation system. Here, you can see that it is just in 3 steps: register, invite, earn, and you get to earn and cash out. Okay, let's see examples of people earning money for using the referral links to invite friends to Shortst. Are you now ready to start making money online? First, you need to click on the join button. You will then be taken to this sign up page. What do we have here? We have email here, repeat email address here. Next, type your password here. And it says here, I have read and accepted the terms of use and privacy policy. Tick here, I am not a robot, and then register. After that, you will be taken to this page. Here, it says, an email has been sent to your email. It contains an activation link you must click to activate your account. If you do not receive an email within an hour, please check your spam folder. We will now check our email. Here, if you open your email, you will see an email like this mail. It says here, your account is ready to start using Shortst. You just need to click here to confirm your email address or use the following link. After clicking, you will be taken to this page. It takes you back to Shortst and it says here, your account is now activated. You should get started looking for views for your shortened link to earn. As you can see here, you get $1 for every 100 views. If you have 1,000 views, it is $10. 10,000 views will give you $100. Meaning, you can make up to $1,000 in one video if you are able to get 100,000 views to your link in a viral video. And this is achievable if you do a proper search for a video with high volume of traffic. The secret is the more views you have from links clicks, the more you make money, because each link represents an ad, which is shown as a bridge before the person watches the video. Now before we go further, let's go to YouTube at youtube.com. Here, you must sign up to YouTube to be able to use the service. You can sign into YouTube, or sign up using your Gmail account if you don't have a YouTube channel. At YouTube homepage, you can come down to the left-hand side, scroll down to this section that says, More from YouTube. Here we have YouTube Premium, Gaming, Live, Sports. Now, you can either choose a live program, or better still choose gaming, because the gaming niche always has many viewers in millions. After you click the gaming, the page will open for you. As you can see here, the top game for the moment is a Minecraft game. I destroyed B-Town X Left Minecraft. Clicking on it will open Jarena Free Fire. These are all the Minecraft games streaming at this moment. Tamora charity stream for Gisco Falcon. As you can see here, it has 5,187 views at the moment. You can copy the link. You can also copy the link using the share button. Then, you will need to come to Google search and search for Minecraft Forum. You will see all these search results. Click on this. Here, you will be taken to Minecraft Forum at minecraftforum.net. Click on this and the home page will open for you. At the home page, click on Forum. These are all different forum of people interested in Minecraft games, and will likely click on your link to watch anything on Minecraft. The next thing is to look for the threads, and post with the threads and post on Minecraft live streaming games. As you can see here, you must sign up to be able to post your comments. If you follow the required steps, and get sign up, you will be able to post comments on different forums advertising the live games. As many people click on the live game's shortened links, their views is counted by Shortst and adds up to the number of clicks you will need to make money. Remember, you will need 100 clicks to make $1. Therefore, post your comment and links to many chat forums to increase your chances in the Minecraft Forum website. Now, after that, you can keep looking for more viral and live videos by going back to YouTube. You can look for viral videos in sports, adventures, pets and other important topics that are trending. Copy the links, look for their similar forums and post your links. You can as well post your links to Facebook and other social media forums of the type of video niche. All you need to do is to search for relevant niches to sell your links. Now, as you post your links to these different forums, and you are able to get people to click on your link to watch the YouTube videos, you will increase your chances of earning more money online. Another way to earn money from the link shortened is through referral link, and you can post your referral link on your website or social media pages. Alright, now, you know how to make money online watching YouTube videos. What you need to do now is to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and hit the like button, if you have not done so already. You will get to see all my videos on making money online, and get notified of my latest uploads. Keep making money online.